Hola amigos, today I'm going to show you how to make my vegan fish tacos. I know you're going to love them. We start off by pressing extra firm tofu to get all that extra liquid out. Now you don't need a special gadget like mine. You can just press it with like a heavy pan on top, and then once it's pressed, you're going to slice it up into even size like little fillet pieces and season it with salt and pepper, plenty of it. Then you're going to cut up some nori sheets, the same size as the little tofu fillets, and that's going to give it that nice seafood flavor. Now make sure you press down into them so that they stick to the tofu. If you need to, you can add a little bit of water to make them stick. Now we're going to mix the batter with flour, cornstarch, salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder, and a little bit of turmeric for flavor. Then you're going to mix that all up. And traditionally, beer is used for the batter, but I like to use sparkling water. And then you're just going to add enough until you get like a thick batter consistency. Now the amount can be anywhere from a cup or less or a little bit more depending on the humidity or dryness of where you live. And then look how the batter should be. It's like nice and thick. Now you're going to heat up your oil, and once it's nice and hot, you're going to dip each little tofu fillet into the batter and make sure it's nice and coated evenly on both sides. And then very carefully, you're going to dip it into the hot oil. And then you're going to fry it for about 5 minutes or so until it's nice and golden on one side. And then you're going to flip it over and fry until it's nice and golden on the other side. Now when you're flipping over, it might stick a little bit to the pan, but so you can like give it a little push with your tongs. But just be very careful not to splash any hot oil on yourself, and then it should give right away. If not, then it's not ready to be flipped. And then see how they're nice and golden on both sides, and make sure you don't crowd your pan so that you can easily move them around. And then you're going to remove them from the hot oil and drain them on a plate lined with paper towels. And then you serve them with warm corn tortillas, some pico de gallo, and chipotle mayo sauce, a little squeeze of lime. Now remember, these recipes are already on my blog. I will link to them in the description. And also on my YouTube channel. Now another version I like to do is to top them with my Mexican coleslaw and some chipotle mayo. It's so delicious, amigos. I really hope you give these tacos a try. They're budget friendly and easy to make.